Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add a First Met life event to your Facebook post. It's a great way to commemorate that special moment when you first met someone important in your life. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the text box at the top that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually start creating a post. Next, scroll through the options available until you find the Life Events section. Tap on it to access all the categories of life events that Facebook offers. Now, look for the category labeled Relationship. Tap on it, and you'll see several options related to relationships. From here, select First Met. This is the perfect choice to celebrate and share when you first crossed paths with someone special. Once you've selected First Met, it's time to fill in the details. You can add information like the date when you first met, a description of the moment, and even photos if you'd like to make your post more personal and memorable. After filling in all the details, tap on Next. Finally, review your post to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, tap on Post, and voila! Your First Met life event is now live for your friends and family to see. And that's it. Adding a First Met life event is simple and a wonderful way to share meaningful memories with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.